Tax day is April 15th. Many people who receive Social Security Disability Insurance, or SSDI, don't need to pay any income tax on their benefits. But in some cases, you might end up owing tax on a portion of your SSDI. So let's break down when and why that might happen and how you can avoid a big tax bill when it's time to file your taxes. So, is SSDI taxable? Here's the deal. The IRS considers SSDI taxable, but only under certain circumstances. If your only source of income is SSDI, you won't owe any federal income tax on it, even if you are receiving the maximum benefit amount. But if you are making additional income on top of SSDI, your income might be taxable if your total income exceeds a certain threshold. Here's how it works. Your total income is half of your annual SSDI payments plus any other income you might bring in for the year. That would include wages, investment gains, retirement income, etc. Your spouse's income counts in the total income calculation as well, so if they're making money, it could push you over the threshold for paying tax on SSDI. If you're single, filing as head of household, or as a qualifying surviving spouse, the total income threshold is $25,000. For married couples filing jointly, the threshold is $32,000. If your income is high enough to be taxed and you're worried about owing a big tax bill, you can request the Social Security Administration to withhold some money from each of your monthly checks. That withholding will go to the IRS to cover your taxes for next year. You can also make quarterly estimated tax payments to the IRS or to your state's tax department. Talk to a tax professional for more information on when and how much you should withhold from your SSDI benefits. And as you prepare your taxes, here are 3 things to know. 1. If you're also receiving Supplemental Security Income, or SSI, SSI is not taxable, neither at the federal or state level. Number 2, if you received SSDI back pay this year, you may need to pay tax on at least some of it, depending on how much you received and whether you hit that total income threshold. Number 3, most states don't tax SSDI benefits, but there are 9 states that do. Check with your state's tax department to understand how much you could owe in taxes. Subscribe to our channel for more Social Security disability tips and updates.